Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy. And before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So, not wasting much of your time, I'm coming straight to the today's tutorial, and that is if in any Xiaomi or Redmi phone voltage signal which is showing here is not there, or it is not coming, then what steps we have to take, that I want to explain, and I will explain in this tutorial. So just go to the settings and then go to the SIM card manager. Here go to the if in this phone there are two SIMs, so go to the first SIM and see that use voltage is active or not. If it will not active, voltage signal will miss. And also see what is the preferred network type. It is voice over LTE, so prefer LTE signal is there. So this is first SIM, and for the second SIM we need to repeat this procedure. So if we turn it off, see voltage is not coming. Now it will come, it has come after few seconds. So preferred network type, here I have selected 5G because in my area 5G is coming, and voice over LTE will work on that also. So this is two things, and the third thing I want to tell you that you go to the access. This will come. I will tell you later. So this is the first step. Hopefully after this will work. But if it does not work, then what we need to do? Just go to the settings, then go to connection and sharings, and then scroll down and go to reset Wi-Fi mobile networks. Here you have to reset all the settings. It will ask for pattern. Then this might take several seconds. This will burn and you have to reset it. I am not resetting it. It will sometimes delete the Wi-Fi password stores, but that can be re-entered. It will not erase any data. So hopefully after 80% of times the reset network settings works. But if it does not work, then what we need to do is that go to the dialer and just dial star hash 4636 hash star. It will directly come to this screen. This is a secret code. So in my SIM there is, in my mobile there is two SIMs, so two phone informations is coming. We need to go to the both informations. Here I am going to the first and just come here. Mobile radio power, it should be turned on. Voltage provision, it should be turned on. So just we should ensure that this mobile radio power is turned on, and in phone information 2 this also should be on. Here mobile radio power should be on for both the SIMs. Here I have enabled 4G signal for only the second SIM. So this is the third things. Now if the voltage signal voice over LTE is not coming after doing all the three steps, one can also check it by removing the SIM card tray. Just blow some air on SIM and insert the SIM card properly. By making SIM card on and off, sometimes it also works. So now we will see. Just go to here, SIM cards. Here we can turn off. Okay, it is turning off, and we can now turn on. This is for first. Here go to the mobile networks. If network is not coming, we can select it manually also. So then prefer network type, it is I have already told. Then go to the second, and then Here access point name is coming. We can also go and reset it. Access point name, sometimes access point names we can reset it from here. Reset default VPN settings. We can turn it off. Okay, it will shift to the first. I have to shift the mobile data from here to Vodafone, and then I can turn it off. Now it will turn out. So I am just going to Airtel. So this is the fourth and fifth steps I have told you. Hopefully 90% of the time, after executing these steps, the voice over LTE signal will come here. You will see here voice over LTE. If SIM card is also not detecting, it will also show there. So I will summarize. First, you need to do the turning on the use VoLTE and prefer LTE signal in SIM card and mobile network setting. The second, you can go to the connection and sharing and reset the settings. Third, you can dial the secret code *#* 4636 ## and then turn the mobile radio signals on. Fourth, you should ensure that SIM card has been properly inserted. Blow some air. Fifth, you can turn on the mobile data, turn on the SIM, you can reset the APN settings. After doing all these steps, 95% of your problem has to be resolved. It may get solved after doing all these steps. So if after doing all these steps it is not being solved, then you should go to the mobile operator and check with the mobile operator what is wrong with your settings. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this, please share with your friends. Please consider to subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.